Hi, welcome to my channel Sri Vijaya Homely Tips. Today my homely tip is, while boiling the eggs, add some salt so that the shell will be removed easily and smoothly. Today I am going to show you my beloved recipe egg chutney, which can be storable for 1 week to 10 days. Our main ingredient in this recipe is egg, so I am taking 4 boiled eggs. So now let's start our process. We should remove the yellow and should be taken only white, and in each egg I am making 4 pieces. Now all our ingredients are ready to prepare the egg chutney. Garam masala 1/4 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, oil sufficient to deep fry, salt according to our taste, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, dhania powder 1 teaspoon and 2 lemons. I am taking 2.5 tablespoons of oil, and this oil is sufficient for preparing the whole chutney. See, we are having some more oil in our pan, and the leftover chutney is prepared with this oil itself. Every time keep the stove in a low flame. Now I am adding ginger garlic paste, and this ginger garlic paste should be deep fried. After this is deep fried, we have to turn off the stove. Ginger garlic paste is sufficiently fried. Now I will turn off the stove and I'll add all the ingredients which I had taken it before. After mixing it well properly, now I am going to add the lemon juice of 2 lemons which I had taken it before. Let it rest for 5 minutes so that all the spices will be synced to the egg pieces. Finally, our egg chutney is ready, so now I am serving to the bowl. Our tasty spicy egg chutney is ready. Actually, this credit goes to my mother. Why? Because she prepared the chutney, and we all know the taste of our mothers and grandmothers, how they prepare the chutneys. Thanks for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.